When I was 24 and bought my first investment property in Sydney, all I wanted to do was be financially free and a millionaire through property before the age of 30. Now, looking back at that goal today with where I'm at in my life, I feel like an absolute tosser and I've got no idea why that was important to me. But I'm super grateful that that younger version of myself had a bit of get up and go and really wanted to get out there and make something happen. Now, for those of you who are like me and want the shortest and simplest path to becoming a millionaire through real estate, then this idea may work for you. All we do is go out there and we buy one property worth 500K. And when we can afford to do it again, we go out there and buy the second property for another 500K. Now that means we're sitting on $1 million worth of property today. If we do nothing at all again for the next 15 years and those properties grow by 5% per annum, we're going to be sitting on $2 million worth of property and we're a millionaire through investing. The biggest lesson that I've learned through my journey on my way to financial freedom and choices in my life is that this doesn't have to be hard. It doesn't have to be difficult. And with the right skills, the right plan, and the right team in your corner, you can do incredible things in this lifetime through property. And for those of you who haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs a super simple idea like this in their life. If this is your first time checking out our stuff, then our channel and our podcast is filled with super simple ideas based on my experiences of bashing myself up on my journey to financial freedom, making every mistake that you can possibly ever imagine, and ultimately having bought more than $450 million worth of property for myself and my clients over the last 10 years. I wish you all the best on your journey and good luck.
Woo! That's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Getting cool, bro. Yeah.
Oh, sweaty. So sweaty. Oh, that's good. That's so nice, eh? Oh.